Hi, welcome to Dodds Doors Helpful Tips. Today we're going to walk you through some helpful maintenance tips for your garage door. It is recommended to do this at least once a year to keep it in good working order. Let's get started. First, place your garage door on manual operation by pulling the red cord. Confirm that the door operates smoothly without requiring too much effort. Now we're going to make sure that all the hinges are tight. Use a wrench, ratchet, or impact gun to tighten the hinges. The next step is to lubricate. A multi-purpose lubricant should do the trick. You now want to spray the lubricant on both the inside and outside of the hinges like this. Then you want to lubricate the rollers. This helps the rollers move smoothly while opening and closing your garage door. Now, you notice that the lubricant is building up where we've sprayed. To resolve this, we recommend opening and closing your garage door a couple of times to evenly spread out the lubricant. After which, if you're still seeing a bit of buildup, you can simply wipe off with a rag. Now we're going to climb the ladder to lubricate our springs. There's a bearing on the inside between the two springs on the inside of the bracket. Make sure you lubricate the bracket and the spring. When lubricating the spring, we recommend placing a piece of cardboard behind the spring against the wall to avoid any mess. Lastly, we're going to lubricate the rail connecting your garage door to your opener. Now we're going to manually open the garage door halfway and fully to make sure it stays. If your garage door doesn't stay in place in either the halfway or full position, this usually means you need repair of your springs. There's a few simple repairs you can do on your own, but for most issues, give the professionals at Dodds a call. Thanks for watching.